Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to our new YouTube video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a very cinematic, moody, smoke-like photo manipulation in Photoshop. Before getting to the Photoshop, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, PNG, camera preset, lightroom preset, every kind of loot file and photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. Well, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So let's just jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the photo which you want to get edited. Now let's just you can click this kind of photo in your room also. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool from here and just click on the plus icon to make the selection over here. Just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected, just like this. Now here the important thing is to select the hairs of the subject, so we are going to use the same technique as we are doing in every kind of video, that is just right click on it and select and mask option from here and just roll on the edge of the subject of the hairs to make that selection. Make sure you have just selected the second brush tool, that is refine edge brush tool, and you have to just click on the plus icon to make it selected. Now just press OK. So here you can see we have made a selection on the hair region. Now just right click on it and select layer copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard. So here we have made a layer of the subject. Now let's add background to the photograph. So I'll go to the file, click on open, and let's add the background to the photograph. Let's browse the background. So here it is, we have our background. This is kind of a very cinematic background. Now just all you need to do is just drag it and drop over here. Now let's just increase the size of the image by using the crop tool. Just select the crop tool and just increase the size of the image, just like this way. Select the background, press Ctrl D and enlarge the image of the background. Now just you can place anywhere, somewhere over here, and just that's it. Now all you're gonna do is just make the hairs of the subject more darker. So I'll just select the burn tool from here, make the exposure to around 100%, and just all you need to do is just make the exposure on the hair region to make the blackness of the hairs. So here we have made black color of the hairs. Now all you're gonna do is just go to the levels. Go to the levels and just click on this clipping mask, and you need to do is just to move the slider from left to right and a bit of So here you can see we have created the deftness of the image, just to merge both the layers. Same thing we have to do for the background, just duplicate it and just change the blending mode to soft light. So here you can see we have just created a very awesome depthness on the background and also on the subject image. Now let's just go to the levels and just increase the lightness. So here you can see the before and after effect. You can actually enlighten and brighten the subject image. Exposure. Merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's just make the background to a little bit of blurry. So let's go to the filter, select blur, then select box blur, and all you need to do is just to select 11% or 18% only and just hit OK. Now let's go to the hue and saturation, select the bluish color and just reduce the, or let's select the cyan color and just move it to the black color. So here we have changed the cyan color to the little more blackish. Now let's just crop some more image by using the crop tool. Now all you need to do is just merge both the layers. And let's go to the color lookup and select any of the loot file from here. Let's select this, or let's just select this loot file of teal and orange. I think this loot file is actually looking very cinematic, so let's just keep this loot file in our photo. Now let's add some smoke to the photograph. So let's just select this, just drag and drop over here. Press Ctrl T to enlarge, flip it vertical. Just keep this layer below the subject layer. Change the blending mode to screen. Now again just duplicate this layer by pressing the Ctrl J button. And just select the eraser tool and just delete some portion from here. You can change the loot file if you want to change then. Let's select this loot file. Let's select this loot file. Let's select the eraser tool and just delete some unwanted colors, smoke from here. Now let's add some more smoke on this image, so let's go to the open and just add this smoke. Just drag and drop over here. Press Ctrl T to enlarge it. And just move this above the subject layer. Now let's add some more smoke on the image. Just drag and drop over here. Press Ctrl T. Change the blending mode to screen. Just place it on this above the subject layer. You can decrease the opacity, or let's press Ctrl U and increase the lightness. So here we have created, or if you want to give a color dodge or overlay, let's select the color dodge. So let's just select the screen. Now let's select the brush tool, and you can just select the smoke brush, and you can download the smoke brush from our website. On the brushes tab, we have already provided you this smoke brush for free, so you can download it from there. Now let's just create new layer, pick the color, press Ctrl D, or else you can still more try something new from the smoke brushes. There are a lot of brushes we have given to you, so you can use any of the brush from here. Let's select the white, create new layer, and press Ctrl D. You can place it over somewhere here. Let's delete this brush. Now let's select the brush tool and again select any of the brush from here. Create new layer. Or let's just select this layer. You can try this all brushes on whatever is looking perfect. You can use it. Press Ctrl D. place it somewhere over here. You can decrease the opacity. Now the final thing is to add the particles on this image. So let's just select the particle image. Now just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy and just paste it by pressing Ctrl V and press Ctrl T to enlarge the image. Now change the blending mode to screen. Again press Ctrl J to duplicate that layer. Just flip it a bit off, Now let's select the eraser tool. Let's Ctrl T. Let's erase this by using the eraser tool. Let's erase the particles from the face region. Also from here. Let's delete this big snow particle. Now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layer, or else let's try one more loot file from here. Now this is looking really very smoky, and now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. So here we have finally made the smoky photo manipulation in Photoshop. So here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking very totally unique and perfect cinematic look, like a smoke bomb photography. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this. And if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, camera preset, lightroom preset and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check out that website and follow me on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.